Today we're going to make a glittery screen print tee. First thing that you're going to need is a heat press, and I use mine on 350 Fahrenheit with 40 seconds. Right now I'm just pressing the t-shirt so it is nice and flat. First, you're going to want to position the screen print where you want it so it's centered in the tee. Now we are going to press it for 40 seconds. Now you're going to want to put down your heat press and quickly peel for a hot peel. Oops, this little part right here needs to be reheated so I can pull it off easily. Now for the fun part, you're going to want to pick out your glitter. Today I'm going to be using Blues Glitter Holo Gold. It is a 1/128 holographic fine glitter. Grab that same sheet of paper that your screen print was on, and now you're going to press that again for another 40 seconds. So just make sure the paper is positioned over the glitter and press start. Next, we're going to just shake off some of that excess glitter onto the shirt, and we're also giving the shirt any time to dry and really get that glitter in there. Now let's just shake off all that excess glitter. That's how you make glittery screen print tees.